Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. This is Lynn and I'm live by satellite. I'm kinda alone here inside my house, so I decided to go live. So I have something to, have some new update for my channel. And it's what day is today? So it's Friday. Friday night again, and thanks God it's Friday and we're alive. And I'm kinda thinking on what to do since it's already, I'm like, how many days? It's like 5 days already since I stopped going to work. So it's like I'm on a vacation again. I'm having enough rest actually, and of course, have plenty of time to play YouTube. It's always YouTube. And how are you? How are you guys? How do you cope with this COVID? I thought I'm having COVID-19. I'm he- I think I thought I got infected with this virus, but turns out that I just have you know this bad cough because I'm too tired going back to work every day, and sometimes I don't have enough sleep, and there are days that when I reach home, I can go to sleep. So I just go back to work, and sleep there instead. So I won't be late for the next shift, which is not good for my health. That's why my cup turn worse and worse. I'm still thinking if I'm gonna quit my job or not. Maybe not. I need that job. I work hard for that job. I work hard to be able for me to get hired. It's my first time to work in a BPO company in the BPO industry, and it's like a dream come true for me. So I need to keep that job rather than keep my boyfriend. Sure, you know how hard it is to get a job in a BPO company. There's a lot of applicants, but not all of them are getting. We're not able to reach that. You are hired, something like that. So I'm still thinking if I'm gonna quit or not. I'm thinking since it's just my 6 months, 6 months. I'm not in my, I should at least have a year experience, or for me to be able to be considered as a senior customer service representative. Oh, and I'm still not good in selling products. This is I was like in my learning stage still. Um, I wanna go like I don't did earn. Oh, I mean I didn't learn anything at all. Just want to practice my English. Sometimes I'm getting, run out of words to say. This is where I learned how to talk properly, how to, project myself in front of other people. Because when you are talking in front of the camera, it's like you're talking to, other people as well. Oh, it's the wrong thing. Oh, oh my god, I got it wrong. Oh my god, I thought it's water. So cute. Cute chicken. I still had some narinig mo, umubo ako. Kaya ako nag-i-English para ma-practice. Kasi who knows, I might be, apply again for a new job. I don't know. Can't decide yet. And what else? What else? What else? Actually, I'm on a quarantine, and the doctor called me up yesterday, and she asked me if how I was feeling for the day, if I'm still having a cough, or if I'm having some symptoms or experiencing some symptoms of COVID-19. And I told her that I still have a cough, but it's not that bad. I don't know till when, but according to her, because we're not allowed to go to work if we're having cough. He is awake. Anyway, going back to the topic, um, I was told to go on a no, swab test. Uh, I'm thinking I don't want to go on that kind of test since I don't believe that I have COVID, that I am infected with COVID-19 since This is cup is like a long time ago already, and I'm not experiencing any fever or high fever like those COVID infected people out there who are those are confessing their experience or they're sharing their experience when they are infected with the virus. But since I don't have any signs of fever, that's why I decided I don't want to go on a swab test. I'd rather quit my job than take the test. Anyway, just want to share my experience, and of course I'm a little scared, but not too scared because it's like 2 years already since we have this virus, and everything went well, and I believe that I'm healthy, except that I don't have enough rest. Mostly, every day since I have my work. I since I have since I English pa mo magmanood. Yeah. Wala lang manood, wala kayo manood, nag-English lang ako. Anyway, since I got this job, um, I don't have enough rest every day. It's like if I only have 5 hours of sleep, and during the weekends or during my rest day, I still have chores that I need to do. I'm a mother and I need to wash our clothes, prepare my kids' food and clean the house, all that, do some groceries. So having enough rest is hard to me. And our body is not built, to last like no rest at all. Yung tipong wala tayong pahinga, kailangan may pahinga. English pa more. Anyway, highway, by the way, 'Thanks to Patingo, it helps a lot to relieve my cough. 6 o'clock already. Mm, I feel like want to change my channel's name. I will change it to Lynn Ambitiosa rather than Lynn M Vlogs TV. Why don't I change it to Lynn Ambitiosa? Sounds good, right? And I'll do some videos later if I can stay up late at night. I'm afraid not because I didn't sleep the whole day again. I'm gonna end this in a while. Thank you guys. Keep on watching my videos. Share lang. Kahit walang nanonood. Go lang ng go. Bye. Stay safe, everyone. Have a nice day ahead tomorrow and for the coming days. Bye bye. I need to do something. 20 minutes like already. So I need to end this. Bye.